guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So, lots of people are getting scared now. Bitcoin, hit our buy area. We got a good reaction. Could it go lower? There is a lot of talk about Bitcoin going lower now. Tons of it, right? And everybody's screaming and this, and they're arguing on X. Everybody's getting very toxic right now, and I'm right, you're wrong kind of deal. And to be honest, doesn't really to me it doesn't really matter. I think that we're actually gonna get some sort of like dip tomorrow on Monday. Maybe we'll grab all this liquidity and then we'll come back up, and the CPI is gonna come out and it's confirmed that the inflation's down. It's coming down significantly, and it's time to cut rates. It's perfect timing for the Fed, and the market's going to rally. That's just what I'm thinking, right? It could do something completely different. I'm just looking at the 7-hour RSI bands at the moment, looking at my indicators, and if it does hit, I'm going to buy, right? And there should technically be more upside in September, but everybody's calling for red September, right? Red September is one of the worst performing months, and it's gonna be down. For so far, we're green on the month, right? For September, we're green on the month. So that kind of shows that it's not. The month isn't over. There's still 22 days left, right? So this could turn ugly real fast. But in the case that it does go lower, right? It morphs the count. It changes it into something else. But for me, at least, I think as long as we hold the pivot at 98, things should be okay. And for me, I'm gonna stay in my positions, and that's it. I don't really care what other people do. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. On the weekly time frame, we just got a new weekly candle. The momentum is starting to die off for the bears, right? So was this just another pullback, and the trend continues up, and everybody that was getting short here, getting ready for the crash, is once again wrong, right? And they got the move wrong because we got so much green money flow, right? We only get short inside the Discord for market tops once we see this red money flow start to cut in, and we know that after this correction, the money flow is too much. Yeah, like for now, let's take a look at the bigger picture. Let's take a look at our cycles, right? So we'll start off with the. I guess we'll stay on the weekly. But here, how many days was this, right? Sorry, this is the increase. Sorry, I'm looking at something else. So what? Okay, so this cycle we got 6,800. Here we got 840, 844, and then now the price started to rally before the halving. We got the halving, and now the price is up how much from here, from when the money flow cut back into the green. We're up 300. We're up 300. It wouldn't be the craziest thing if it got to 500, right? It's not that much more, or even 6. But I think 6 is asking a little bit too much. I'm thinking we probably get into the 500 range, and then we start to top out. But that's just me, right? You can take a look at how long the cycles were. Maybe I think this was on the daily. What we were calculating here at the time is how many bars it's gonna take, maybe weekly bars, before the price started to move higher. Right, so here, what? How long did it take? Since after the halving, it took 9 bars before the price started to surge. Here it took 12 bars, right? And now, what did I estimate here? This one actually ended up taking much longer. Every cycle is different, but we're learning from it. So it looks like this one took 21 bars, and then the price started to moon after that. And let me see if I count the candle that does start to go up. No, I don't. So okay, so that's 9, and then this one I counted properly. We'll just get rid of one. Move this up. There you go. So 21 bars, and then the price started to surge after. And we went on a big run. Is the run over? A lot of people are calling for the run. That's over. Once we get red money flow, this is the interesting. It takes about 8 to 12 to 9 bars before we see that major crash, major sell-off, and it's like a few months of hard selling, and then the lows are in. So until then, I'm not ready to call the top. Like this, just because the price has gone up for a while doesn't mean that it's over. Some people are saying it's gone up too much, it needs to come down. That's not the case at all. We're in an uptrend, a bull trend, right? And you got to look at the weekly time frame for money flow. That's probably the most important things to look at. That's about it. I think we could hit this downsloping trend line on the monthly, and then Bitcoin will maybe mark its top. But for now, I'm remaining bullish and I'm staying in my positions. We haven't even seen the altcoins run. Many are very confident in calling the top, but that's it. Have a good night, guys.